Namaste. I am Dr. Vidhi Chaudhary, Assistant Professor in Department of Botany, Daulat Ram College, University of Delhi. For the past 13 years, my journey as a teacher has been guided by one simple belief that education should inspire curiosity, create opportunities, and empower students to become responsible citizens. Teaching is the foundation of my professional life. I teach diverse areas of botany, including plant biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, mycology, ecology, environmental studies, and skill enhancement courses. Through outcome based education, experiential learning, ICT enabled teaching, and research oriented practicals, I strive to make every classroom interactive, inclusive, and relevant to the needs of the 21st century. In line with the National Education Policy 2020, I actively promote interdisciplinary learning, critical thinking, and skill development. As the coordinator of a skill development center on hydroponics and aeroponics, I have introduced students to innovative and sustainable agricultural technologies, enabling them to develop entrepreneurial skills while addressing real world environmental challenges. I have also mentored undergraduate research projects, encouraging students to explore scientific inquiry, innovation, and sustainability. Research has always complemented my teaching. My work focuses on plant microbe interactions, microbial biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, and sustainable agriculture. I have published 18 research papers, 3 review articles, and 5 book chapters with over 2100 citations and an H index of 17 and an I10 index of 19. I currently lead an innovation project on the green synthesis of silver nanoparticles, and I have contributed to projects on sustainable menstruation and water pollution management. My efforts have been recognized through honors such as Young Scientist International Women Empowerment Award, DST International Travel Grant, and several Best Paper Presentation Awards, including Rhizosphere 3 International Conference, Perth, Western Australia. Beyond academics, I strongly believe that education must extend beyond the classroom. As the warden of Daulat Ram College Hostel, I have worked towards student welfare while promoting sustainable initiatives, including composting hostel waste and producing organic manure. I have also actively contributed to institutional development through IQAC, NAC, admissions, ranking, student mentoring, environmental initiatives, and various academic committees. For me, teaching is not merely the transfer of knowledge, it is about nurturing confidence, scientific temper, ethical values, and a lifelong passion for learning. Every student I mentor, every research project I undertake, and every institutional responsibility I fulfill is guided by the vision of creating a meaningful and sustainable impact. It is both an honor and a privilege to be considered for National Awards to Teachers 2026. I remain committed to advancing excellence in higher education through innovation, research, mentorship, and service to society. Thank you.